Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In previous video we have seen 10 head female fashion croquis. Today we will see how to draw 10 head male fashion croquis. Starting with drawing straight line and mark 10 points on 1 inch. Draw horizontal lines and mark these lines from 0, 1 to up to 10. Starting with drawing head. Now head will be 1 inch, half inch at the left, half inch at the right. Mark these points on head 0 and 1. Draw straight line and join these points. Next step will be the neck. Now neck will be on 1 and 1/4 line and shoulder will be on 1 1/2. Draw dotted line horizontally for the neck and for the shoulder. Now the measurement of the neck will be 1 centimeter both sides. Mark these points and draw the straight line. Next up is shoulder. Now shoulder will be 2 inches total, 1 at the left, 1 at the right. Mark these points and join the neck points. Next will be the waist. Waist will be on 3.5 inch. Draw dotted line. Total width will be 1.5 inch. That is 3/4 at the left and 3/4 at the right. Next is hips. Now hip will be the same as waist. Our waist is 1.5 inch. Hips will be the same 1.5 inch. Mark these points and join the shoulder, waist and hip points. Next is crotch. Crotch will be at 4.5. Next is thighs. Now if you see, male body is little bit broader and it doesn't have that much curve as female body. So here we will draw thighs. Thighs will be on head 5 with the measurement of 4 centimeters. 2 centimeters at left, 2 centimeters at right. Mark these points. Next will be the knee. Now knee will be on 6.5 inch. Draw a dotted line. The measurement of your knee will be 3 centimeters total, 1.5 at left, 1.5 at right. Mark the points and join the thighs points. Next is calf. Now calf will be on 7.5 inch. Draw a dotted horizontal line and mark the calf point with the measurement of 4 centimeters total, 2 centimeter left, 2 centimeter right. Next will be the ankle, and ankle will be on head 9, 2 centimeter. Join the points. And last one is foot. Foot will be on head 10 with the measurement of 3 centimeters, same as your knee measurement. Mark the points and join the ankle and foot points. Now your croquis is almost ready. We are only remaining with the hands now. Draw a circle at ankle and knee so you can recognize what are the knee points and what are the ankle points. Next we will draw hands. Now the elbow will be at your waistline, which is at your 3.5 inch, and wrist will be at crotch point. Mark these points. The elbow will be for 1 centimeter, wrist will be for half centimeter. Draw a circle at elbow and wrist. Straight line for 1 inch, mark the point at half inch. Horizontal measurement will be half inch and mark the points as I am showing you here. Draw the same hand with the same measurement at left side. And we are done with our croquis. Now just mark these all points with the black pen. If you want to learn how to draw female mechanical croquis, I have already made a video on my channel. I will put the link in the description. Don't forget to watch that video so you will be able to learn how to draw female croquis as well. And we are finished. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and also do comment what next videos you want to watch. Thank you.